Okay, here we go with the second part of this. So you don't need the instructions. You know it's going to be blurry, and you know you need to pause. So that's enough said. We're going to go with the command forms, the two command forms. First ones are regular, and then we'll do some irregular ones. Okay, and of course you know that you're going to take it to the third person singular. So the verb is hablar. So think about what it's going to be. Should be habla. I'm going to skip over intentionally because I don't want to confuse you. There is a completely different form when I put it in the negative. So we're going to skip number 2 and we'll skip 4 because this particular study Spanish does both the affirmative and the negative. You'll learn the negative later. So just for right now, we're going to do the affirmative. So when we actually check our score, we'll only get 50%. Okay? Write a letter to your mother. Okay, think about this one. Hopefully you chose escribe una carta a tu mamá. And you're telling Johnny, sing, Juanito, canta. Open the door. The verb is abrir. Abre la puerta. Begin now. Comienza. Buy that. Compra. Drink the milk. Bebe la leche. Clean the kitchen. Limpia la cocina. Take the medicine. Toma la medicina. Read the book. Lee el libro. And we're going to submit it. We know we're going to get only 50%. Okay, actually it's telling me we didn't answer the questions, but that's okay. We know that we didn't answer them. All right, let's try some with some irregular forms. Irregular forms. Okay, let me get my screen adjusted so that you can see it. And so put or place, you know the verb is poner. So think about what the irregular form is, and it should be pon la pistola acá. We're going to skip over the negative parts. Tell the truth, you know the verb is decir. So you need to be thinking about what the irregular form is. Di la verdad. Come here. The verb is venir, V-E-N-I-R. Think what about the irregular form is? Ven acá. Be kind. The verb is ser. Think about what the irregular form is. Sé amable. Set the table. And when you're saying set the table, you're using the verb poner, irregular form. Pon la mesa. Do what I tell you. To do or to make. The verb is hacer. Haz lo que te digo. Say something. Again, the verb decir. Di algo. Leave now. The verb to leave is salir. So think about what that would be. Sal ahora. Make the bed. Using the verb hacer. Haz la cama. Be careful. And of course, you know in Spanish to say be careful, we say have care using the verb tener. So what would be the irregular form of tener? Ten cuidado. And finally, go right now. The verb is ir. So think about how you would say that in the irregular form. Ve ahora mismo. And of course, when we submit, it's going to tell us that we didn't answer all of them, and that's okay. But those, trust me, are correct. All right, let's do another one with estar. Okay, sorry about that. My dogs are going to be... I'm going to stop this one short just a second, and then we'll move on with estar on another one.